Hey y'all, it's your girl CurlyGem, aka Alexis, on TikTok, Instagram, and on YouTube. I don't know where y'all are watching me from, but it'll be posted on one of those platforms, okay? So come with me today to make DIY cotton candy ornaments. I am super excited, y'all. I've been waiting to decorate my Christmas tree. I am going to be uploading another video of us decorating our Christmas tree because you know that's coming. But I did want to add some cotton candy ornaments to the tree, and of course I could not find cotton candy ornaments anywhere, y'all. Like, I found it on TikTok, but my theme this year is pink, as you can see. I wanted my cotton candy ornaments to be pink. I didn't want it to be any other color but pink. So I'm like, let me DIY, because y'all know I'm good for a good DIY now. Like, I got these diamond cotton candy sticks off of Amazon, y'all. Everything that I'm going to be talking about is listed on Amazon. I also got this pink cotton candy wool, hot glue. I got these ornament hooks, and then I got this invisible lining to also hang up the ornaments. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. I'm going to try the hooks first because I feel like that's going to be easiest for me. So in this video, you may see me do some trial and error trying to work that out. And I got some glitter. If you know, you know. That's why my name is CurlyGem. I love everything diamonds, glitter, actionness, glam. That's your girl, okay? And I had got some cute little bows to go on the cotton candy as well. But other than that, y'all, I think we should hop in this video and get started. This was super exciting to me, y'all. I was in my element. I ain't even going to hold y'all. Everything was cute and girly. The hot glue gun was pink, and then it came with like a protecting pad so it wouldn't burn my table. I also got that holographic paper off of Amazon, and it ate down, and it was cheap, so I just got it so I wouldn't get the glitter everywhere. And I just started off with using the hot glue gun on the diamond stick. I used it on the white part, and then I started wrapping the wool around. The wool came like clumped together, so what I did was I unraveled it. And you see how I was like picking at it and spreading it apart. And this does not have to be perfect. Take your time doing that step as well, because that's going to be important for the full look of that cotton candy look that we want. And then I just kept wrapping it around, picking it out, wrapping it around, picking it out until it was fluffed up and big how I would want it to. And this does not have to be perfect, because in real life, cotton candy doesn't look uniform and perfect either. And then when I was done, I just snipped off the ends of the cotton candy. I bunched it up, and then I used some of my hot glue here to just kind of close it so it wouldn't unravel itself. And oh, look at that, so cute. Then I just added on the little ribbon, and it just gave it some spice. This is my favorite part, the glitter. Okay, what I would change about this glitter though is that I would probably have got like a thicker glitter to where you could like see it. I could see the glitter, but I really wanted it to pop out on the tree, like to where you can see it from the tree. And now that I placed it on my tree, I can't really see it unless I'm like really close. But that's really the only changes I would really make. And as you guys can see, I'm just repeating the same steps. And then at the end of the stick, I just kind of pressed it in together so it can like stick and stay clumped together. So I also use the hot glue gun at the end piece where the bow is. Did I eat down, y'all? I think I did. Okay, period. Bye, y'all. Stay tuned for the Christmas tree. I already know that's about to be extra.